Nothing is more frustrating than seeing that check engine light pop up and having no idea what's actually wrong. Whether you're a DIY mechanic, a small shop owner, or simply someone who wants to save money on diagnostics, a reliable OBD2 scanner is an absolute game changer. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best car diagnostic scanners based on accuracy, features, compatibility, long term reliability, and real world testing. Each scanner is from a different brand and offers unique strengths depending on your needs. Let's jump into the list. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the Foxwell NT301, a budget friendly but highly reliable choice for beginners. This handheld scanner focuses on the essentials: reading and clearing engine codes, live data graphing, emissions readiness, and freeze frame analysis. It's perfect if you want a dependable diagnostic tool without getting overwhelmed by advanced features. The NT301 is fast, user friendly, and ideal for everyday troubleshooting. While it doesn't include features like ABS, SRS scanning, or bidirectional controls, it's one of the most accurate scanners in the under $100 category. If you want a budget tool that just works, Foxwell NT301 is a strong starting point. At number 4, we have the Ansel BD310, a compact scanner that blends handheld operation with Bluetooth convenience. What makes this product unique is its dual mode system. You can use it as a traditional handheld scanner or connect it to your smartphone for a more advanced and interactive experience. It provides live data streaming, fault code definitions, IAM readiness tests, and performance stats like speed, fuel consumption, and temperature readings. The BD310 is lightweight, portable, and perfect for drivers who want quick diagnostics on the go. It's a great everyday carry scanner that still performs above its price range. Coming in at number 3 is the Innova 5613, a powerful professional grade scanner without the intimidating learning curve. This scanner reads far more than just engine codes. You get ABS, SRS, transmission diagnostics, live data, battery system analysis, and more. It also includes fixed recommendations through the Repair Solutions 2 app, great for DIYers who want guided troubleshooting. The Innova 5610 really shines in its ability to read enhanced manufacturer specific codes, something cheaper scanners often miss. If you want a scanner that goes deeper and helps you diagnose more complex problems without spending thousands, the Innova 5610 is a top pick. In the number 2 spot, we have the incredibly popular Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scanner. This tool turns your smartphone into a full diagnostic system. It goes far beyond basic Bluetooth scanners by offering verified repair reports, vehicle-specific fix suggestions, smog readiness checks, advanced live data, and detailed freeze frame analysis. Blue Driver shines due to its professional-level data accuracy, which is closer to what shops use, but delivered in a compact, wireless, and easy-to-use package. It's perfect for drivers who want a modern scanning experience without carrying a bulky handheld device. And taking the number 1 spot, the best overall car diagnostic scanner, is the Autel Maxicom MK808S. If you're looking for true dealership level capability at a fraction of the cost, this is the scanner to choose. The MK808S performs full system diagnostics, meaning it scans every module in your vehicle: engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, BCM, HVAC, immobilizer, and dozens more. It includes active tests, bi-directional control, allowing you to command components such as fuel pumps, AC actuators, door locks, windows, and radiator fans. This is a feature usually found only on 1000 plus scanners. Beyond that, you get 28 plus maintenance functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, BMS reset, DPF regeneration, throttle adaptation. The MK808S is the perfect scanner for professionals, small shop owners, and even advanced DIY users who want ultimate control. Let's recap the top 5 best car diagnostic scanners. Best budget: Foxwell NT301 best compact hybrid scanner, Ansel BD310 best mid-level scanner, Innova 5610 best Bluetooth scanner, Blue Driver Pro. Best overall professional choice: Autel MK808S. Each of these scanners brings excellent value for different types of users. Whether you're troubleshooting at home, maintaining multiple vehicles, or running a small repair shop. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive tools, product reviews, and car maintenance tips. Comment below and tell me which scanner you're thinking about buying, or drop your vehicle make and model if you want personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching and keep your car running like new.